Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Spindle Assembly Set of 2. The Spindle Assembly Set of 2 is compatible with various deck lawn mowers, ranging in size from 36-inch up to 42-inch, from manufacturers such as AYP, Craftsman, Husqvarna, and many others. Please review the full list below to make sure this fits your mower, or contact us if you have any questions. What these spindle assemblies do is they make sure that your cutting blades are operating as smooth as possible for the absolute best cut of your grass. And if you're hearing grinding noises from your blades or they're spinning unevenly, you may have an issue with your spindle assembly. While this replacement spindle set of 2 is not a genuine OEM part, they do have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish throughout, as they were designed to be a direct replacement, thanks to the OEM mounting locations. But these do have redesigned internal mechanisms for increased life expectancy. Included with these spindles are, of course, new mounting bolts, which is necessary, and pulley lock nuts. Using basic tools, this is a simple part to replace. After you do install and run for the first time, it is highly recommended just to double check all the mounting bolts and, of course, the pulley lock nut to make sure nothing loosened up on you. If you have any questions about this replacement spindle kit, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.